Being a mom can be so tough, but being a new mom can be even more intimidating. And Kitty Aki is here to tell us more about how mental health and moms, it can be a tough thing. Talk to us about it.
It's a tough transition. I mean, for me, when I became a mom, I don't know what I was expecting, but what I got was, I tell people I won the motherhood lottery because I struggled with postpartum depression, postpartum anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, as well as two very rare physical conditions that meant that I couldn't walk or bend or even wear pants for like 2 years.
For 2 years?
Yeah, it was just so much pain for 2 years, and it took so much hard work and physical therapy to even heal from that. And yeah, I think that's just a drop in the bucket when I talk to moms as far as what we go through and what our bodies go through and what the transition does for our mind and everything. So it's a big transition.
Well, and there really is no training for it, you know, because there's training for like, okay, how to change a diaper and, you know, how to bottle feed and do this. But, you know, for our mental health during and after, there's no way to prepare for it.
There really isn't. I mean, you can read the books, you can do all the things, you can talk to other moms, but the thing I found is that no two experiences seem to be exactly alike.
Yeah.
And there's a myriad of different things that can happen either in the pregnancy, the labor, delivery, or recovery.
Sure.
And sometimes all the things. And so once you have the baby, you're not only dealing with, okay, now I'm a mom, how do I care for this baby? How do I do all the things? But how do I take care of myself and my mind and my body and feel normal again? And that's one of the biggest things I hear from moms is I just don't feel myself anymore. So I wrote this book.
I'm so excited to talk about this book with you. So it's called Motherhood Is Big Enough. Tell us about it.
Yes. So when I came out of my really dark period, I started to see that there was moms everywhere who were struggling, and I wanted to help somehow in a practical way. So I wrote this book, Motherhood is Big Enough, and what it is it's a very unique, one-of-a-kind children's book for moms, because as moms, we are taught to read to our babies starting at age 0 for brain development, but they don't understand the words almost until 18 months. So this book, you'll see the illustrations are bright, bold, high contrast, so they help with babies developing eyes, cognitive, social, and language skills, as well as helping a mom to bond with their baby. But the message is just for moms.
That's what I was going to ask you. What do you hope that moms get out of this?
I hope that this is a practical tool and resource for moms, that it doesn't distract or detract at all from baby care, but it gives them a little ounce of hope in their day when they read this and they say, yeah, my hair can wait. Motherhood is big enough for today. Or, you know, the dishes can wait, or getting dressed can wait. Today, motherhood is big enough, and give themselves that grace and that breath of fresh air that what I'm doing is enough and I am enough, and that's what I hope they get out of this book. And so this is my little love letter to moms, and I really hope that I can get it into the hands of as many new or struggling moms as possible.
Speaking of that, Kitty Aki, where can we find your book?
You can go on thedenmother.net to find the book. It'll be available starting in January, and we're hoping to have it on more platforms after that.
I love it. Thank you for being here. Go moms.
Go moms.
Get this book. It will help.
Thanks, Carrie.
Thanks for being here.